Hi, welcome. Today, we're making bigger lasagna. No, I'm just kidding. This plant does remind me, the leaves remind me of lasagna noodles. I don't remember the name of this plant because, you know, I don't remember shit. But it reminds me of lasagna noodles, so that's what I call it, my lasagna plant. It surprisingly grew a lot bigger and better than I thought it would. First time I had one of these. And I figured since I'm transplanting, I might as well just put it in a bigger pot now because it's going to quickly outgrow this one in probably another month, less than a month. So I got this empty pot. I might as well put it in here, and that way it has a good home for the next couple of years. So first things first, a few big rocks. So we don't clog the hole. And I use lava rocks. A, they're slightly porous so they absorb some water. B, tree roots and plant roots can break them apart and they suck nutrients out of them as they decompose. I add a sponge for moisture control. These are cheap ass sponges, cheap as you can get. I found cheapest ones I can find are at the dollar store. So they're like $2 for $1. I use some generic potting mix. This is Expert Gardener from somewhere dumb. I don't know. The wife got it. I would not have bought this potting soil. It has too much stick matter in it for me. I don't like all the sticks. I mean, you need some sticks to keep the soil apart, but goddamn, I can burn that and I can start grilling steaks on that. My application cup is a high quality plastic cup. And cottage cheese, I guess. Oh, this is another one that's stuck. How about this? Grab all the leaves at once, pull the whole plant up and out, and the whole thing comes out. And check the roots, see how they're doing. It's doing pretty good. Just needs more soil in a bigger pot. Put some on this side. I try to add the soil around all the sides, because you always have that pre-existing soil and pot root ball. So you just add soil, pack it in with your fingers like in this motion, and it's good to go. You keep just doing that till you keep it nice and center and level. It also helps keep your plant in the center of the pot, unless you're doing something creative and you want it off to one side for some reason. Artists, I don't understand. All right. Pull out the fucking chunks of lumber. I mean, look at this, goddamn. Cheap soil. Well, I always say use cheap soil and just add nutrients as you need to. Or in this case, take some of the sticks out. All right, there is my lasagna plant. I can water it now. Now this plant has a little center cup there the leaves come out of. I want to make sure I get most of the soil out of there so it doesn't rot them. Be easier once I water it a few times. When I water it a few times, then I just flush the soil out through here. And that washes all the soil off the crown, and it grows all nice and happy. But I can't do that right now because all the soil's still hydrophobic. So it's I'm gonna have to wait a bit. All right, this will be done, and you can again watch this grow. This one's sitting currently on the rack behind on the 420 chess table. So you can watch us play 420 chess and watch this plant grow. Hopefully it doesn't take us as long to play a game of chess as it does for a plant to grow. But this one does grow fast. You see the leaves uncurl out, almost like fiddleheads. All right, well, puff, puff, pass, no parking on the grass, and I'm out of here. I don't remember shit.